Hey guys, we're back out here again. I fought the wind in my little boat. I'm gonna try to see if I can get on a few fish again today. We'll be back. There's my third fish.
Cucumber melon hand sanitizer.
Already. I've been here 10 minutes.
You should not be. Cucumber melon should not be allowed on an airplane.
It is a beautiful day. We're on. Oh, that feels like a good one. He took off. He's mad. Oh, I need to loosen my drag. I only got 12-pound test on here. He's mad. I don't feel like messing with the net. We'll just have to. Oh, he got in my other pole. Lovely. Oh, that is a good fish. It's another 3-pound blue cat. Oh, let's get him in. Let's see if we can. This mess we got going on here. Come here. Get it off there. All right. Let's get him around here to this other side. Let's see. He's not hooked very well. Let's see if we can get a hold of him. We're going to try. There we go. There he is. Another nice blue cat. Put him back. Number 4. Let's see if we can get us a limit today. Another good one. Channel cat, I do believe. Yep. They're all mixed in there together. Laying there on the bottom. What's that, number 5 or 6? 5, I believe. Y'all keep up with me. It's 5.
I wouldn't give it a B. I wouldn't even give it a C because it's effing A. People are way taller than me, but in big, you look like you could be you could play line in the end.
We're stuck in the motor back there.
You think you could?
And we got a good one, and we were fishing on the bank. Let's see if we can get him out. Oh, I don't know. We're going to have to do some work back there. Lift this motor up. Well, that shoulder hurts too bad. Got the motor up some. See if we can get him out of there. Where is he tangled up at? Well, we're still stuck. We're trying to figure him out here. Now we're out the water with the motor, and we still got the fish. There he is. Nice. Two-pound blue, number 6. We gotta get this hook out. We'll be back. Number 7. And I missed quite a few. Wind's blowing quite a bit. or I can't get a good hook set. But it's number 7.
This guy Sam Thompson has the 16-foot high pile of cheese. Big fake chips on it. Then he gets
Channel cat.
Wait a minute.
No, it says a 16-foot tall replica mounted.
There's number 8.
I can't remember.
Let's just have a discussion.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Yeah, we heard.
To sit a deep with this on air at the age of 50. Wow. Wow.
Number 8.
There's a picture of this kid. A lot of hair. He's upside down in the picture. So the hair is falling. Around just
There he is. Number 8, guys. Kind of slowed down. I don't know. Really ain't slowed down. I just can't get in the spot with this wind. But channel cats have moved in. Looks like. Blue cats have moved out.
Weight series, David broke the latest record with 130.5 pound weight, beating the previous record by 19 pounds.
Yeah, we'll get him taken.
Limit challengers cannot rest the weight on anything or hold the weight with 2 hands. He's previously broken the Guinness World Record for the fastest time to pass 20, 40, 60, 80 pound hand to hand. That's the record. Yeah, these don't take any finesse. I like the ones where he's juggling it. Juggling a live chainsaw. Something on fire. So the Golden Corral once, and after that I passed in 6 months.
There we go. We got him off. Back in he goes. There's number 8, 9. Barely hooked. Little blue cat. Back he goes.
You're right on the money with that. I got instinct on
It's gonna be a nice ride home. White caps out there. Pray for me, guys. Pray for me. If you're seeing this, I made it home. Always look at the wind before you're gonna come out, because you're gonna deal with something like this, and I'm not happy about it. I've got to figure out something different than what I'm doing now. I get back in closer to shore, maybe I can get away from these breakers. We'll be back. Well guys, long ride back. Kind of scary. Not good in a little boat. I wouldn't even want to be out there in a big boat. 5-foot waves. I made it. Praise Jesus. Sharp hooks to you.